Russia is using the relatively cheap Iranian Shahid drones to hit civilian as well as military targets in Ukraine. The Shahed 136 drones that Russia has rebranded as Garan 2 are packed with explosives and are pre-programmed to loiter overhead until they nosedive into a target. Its 50 horsepower engine gives it a top speed of 185 kilometers per hour or 114 miles per hour and a maximum range of 2,500 kilometers or 1,500 miles. On July 20th, Russian state television aired new footage from the massive drone manufacturing facility in Alabuga, located about 1,000 miles east of Moscow. The plant, which produces Shahed 136 drones, has dramatically scaled up operations over the past year, reportedly increasing output nearly tenfold. This surge in production now enables Russia to potentially launch over 700 attack drones in a single night. According to Major General Christian Freuding of Germany's Situation Center for Ukraine, that number could climb to as many as 2,000 Shaheds per night by the end of the year. Shahed 136 has been so impactful that even President Donald Trump commented on it. He said, "We're coming up with a new system of drones because drones really seem to be taking over that war." I asked one of the companies, I said, "I want a lot of drones. And in the case of Iran, they make a good drone and they make them for $35,000, $40,000. U.S. military may soon have an answer." On July 16th, the U.S. Department of Defense unveiled the low-cost uncrewed combat attack system, Lucas, during a showcase of autonomous systems held in the Pentagon courtyard. The event was attended by Secretary of Defense Pete Hegseth. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how Lucas could enable the U.S. military to win the drone war. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted and fastest VPN brand that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte. NordVPN provides a 256-bit encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy and also enables you to access contents that are blocked based on geolocation. Its threat protection system helps you avoid phishing, scams, and malware. NordVPN application is available for all the major platforms as well as browsers. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive saving by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. Developed by Arizona-based SpectreWorks, Lucas is designed as a cost-effective but versatile drone. Lucas is built around a lightweight, low-observable airframe optimized for speed and agility. While specific dimensions remain classified, sources indicate a wingspan of 10 to 12 feet and a total weight below 300 kilograms, 660 pounds. Unlike Shahed's four-cylinder Mato MD 550, which is a clone of Limbach L550E, Lucas is powered by a two-cylinder DA215 engine, which provides enhanced fuel efficiency and a reduced acoustic signature. It reportedly has a top speed of 900 kilometers per hour and a combat radius of approximately 800 kilometers or 500 miles. The airframe is built from advanced composite materials and coated with radar-absorbing substances to minimize its radar cross-section. Its stealth-optimized design enables effective penetration into contested airspace, making it well-suited for missions such as suppression of enemy air defenses. Lucas supports multiple launch options, including rocket-assisted takeoff and mobile truck-mounted systems, allowing for fast and flexible deployment in diverse operational environments. Where Lucas stands out in contrast to the single-use Shahed 136 is that it can be reused in specific configurations. Lucas supports a modular payload bay that can accommodate a variety of munitions and sensors. At the heart of Lucas's performance is a sophisticated autonomy framework. Leveraging AI-driven mission planning, onboard sensor fusion, and real-time data exchange, Lucas can function autonomously, either independently or as part of a coordinated swarm, with minimal reliance on ground control. This autonomous capability enables it to make real-time decisions, avoid obstacles, and prioritize targets dynamically during a mission. A secure, resilient mesh network underpins collaborative operations, allowing multiple Lucas units to share sensor data, synchronize attack vectors, and reallocate tasks on the fly in response to changing battlefield conditions. This networked approach supports advanced operational concepts like the loyal wingman an attritable swarm, in which high-value platforms such as the F-35 or B-21 direct fleets of expendable drones to overwhelm enemy air defenses through coordinated saturation tactics. Lucas features an open architecture design, allowing for swift reconfiguration to meet specific mission needs. This adaptability enhances both logistical efficiency and operational flexibility across diverse combat scenarios. Central to its networking capability is the multi-domain unmanned systems communications music mesh network, which supports autonomous swarm coordination and network-centric strike operations. Beyond enabling distributed engagement, the music network allows Lucas to function as a communication relay, an essential role in contested environments where traditional communication infrastructure may be degraded or denied. The Lucas system is estimated to cost about $100,000 per unit. The emergence of the Lucas is a deliberate response to the changing character of modern warfare, shaped by the global spread of low-cost, expendable kamikaze drones. Systems like Shahed 136, with their affordability and long range, have highlighted a critical gap in Western arsenals, one that has traditionally relied on high-cost platforms such as the $1.9 million Tomahawk cruise missile for strike missions, and the $32 million MQ-9 Reaper for reconnaissance. Lucas is designed to fill this gap, offering a low-cost, versatile alternative that can be fielded in large numbers, enabling scalable and sustained operations in contested environments. Drone warfare is one area where the U.S. military can't afford to fall behind. In a conflict with near-peer rivals, a platform like Lucas is essential. It could be used to overwhelm the adversaries with sheer numbers. The introduction of Lucas carries strategic implications that extend well beyond U.S. borders. Lucas offers a scalable, cost-effective solution that aligns with the evolving defense needs of partner militaries confronting asymmetric and swarm-based aerial threats. Allied nations across NATO, the Indo-Pacific, and the Middle East, many of which face similar drone threats, are likely to show strong interest in acquiring or co-developing comparable systems. For example, in the Indo-Pacific region, Lucas could be extremely useful in thwarting a potential Chinese invasion of Taiwan. Lucas holds a lot of promise, and if this drone can be produced and deployed in large numbers, it will certainly be a force to be reckoned with.